Trixie, what happened? What happened? You hate that commercial. Trixie, let me see. What is it? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Bacon strips? Do you like bacon strips? I don't think so. She gets up out of a dead sleep under the covers to bark at that commercial. I don't know what it is. What is it, Trixie? I don't know. Do you know? What is it?